Hey fellows! In this video, we will explore how to retrieve details from a Google spreadsheet and make an API call using that data, and then store the response back into the spreadsheet. Many developers, including myself, have been searching for a solution to this. Let's take a look at how it was done. First, click the extensions and then open the app script. This is where we will write the script and make the API call. Let's get the spreadsheet using its URL and access the specific sheet by its name in the script. Next, we need to identify the last row in the input column. Next, we need to define the HTTP method, such as post or get, that we want to use. Since we know the last row of the input column, let's introduce a loop to process each input value one by one and make the API call. GetRange method is used to get the range of the values by passing the row and column numbers. The getValue method is used to retrieve values from the specified range. Here, the values are one-by-one metrics, meaning they are just single numbers. Here, the key is the country code that we entered in the sheet. With that key, we can able to make an API call. Let's take the API endpoint first. We are looking for an API call that will return the country name when we pass the country code as a parameter. Don't forget to pass the options in the fetch method. Now that we have the response from the API call, we need to convert it into an accessible object. Now access the country name from that object. After completing all of this, we successfully get the country name. The next step is to add the country name into the respective column in the sheet. The setValue method is used to set a value in the specified cell. Now that all the scripts are complete, save the file and run it. Wait for a moment to allow the process to complete successfully. We can now see that the respective country names have been placed next to their corresponding country codes. Remove the country names from the sheet, and then execute the script again. Let's see how the country names are added to the sheet one by one for each country code. All the country name are populated. This is how we can make an API call and add the response back into the sheet. Thank you for watching.